Hi, this video just quickly shows a couple things you can do when making a website through Google Sites. First thing you need is a Google account. If you have an email, you log in, and up on the right hand side there's this little app or icon called Google Apps that you click on. It looks like a Rubik's Cube. You will go down to the bottom where it says Sites. This will take you to the place where you will create and house your website. So the first thing, you go to the left hand side and click Create. This is a new website. I chose to do mine in New Sites. You can also do it in Classic. Once that comes up, it'll be a new tab, and this is where your actual website will be started to be created. So here, you'll type in your site name, whatever you choose to make your site called, and then you will choose your page title. From there, you're going to go to Themes over on this right hand side. This is where a lot of your options are. If you choose to make it a different layout, for example, so in Aristotle, your page title looks different. You can also choose different colors. Notice how it changes to blue. You can do purple if you want, whatever colors. If you want to get really creative and artsy, if you click this icon, it'll drop down. You can move it anywhere here, any color that you like. We'll leave it for that for the moment. In order to insert, for example, text box, you'll click Insert up at the top and then click a text box. And so you might write Hi, for example. If you want to bring pictures in, you can click Image, and you can either upload pictures from your own personal files or select New. I won't do that at the moment. If you would like to embed links, you simply copy and paste the URL and paste it here, and then click Insert when you have that done. And I'll underline it so people will know this is a link. You can also grab files from your Google Drive. If you have files that you have saved and housed there, you can bring that into your website. Also, a quick thing about layouts. If you choose, for example, that you want pictures and you want 2 pictures and the ability to add text, you can also do that from here. Notice you have all sorts of options right here to do things with that. Over on the side, you have this little background where you can switch your background colors, so you can make it darker, even more dark, or you can also do an image where if you want to select an image, they have images for you, or if you want to upload your own where you have pictures, you can also do that. Up here, if you want to add pages, you click Pages. Right now we're on the home page on this main one, so you'll see whatever your main home page is. So if we label this Home. But if you want to add more, you simply add New Page. So we'll go Next. That'll be our next page name. Click Done, and this will be your next page, so you come up to that. If you want to navigate back to Home, you can either go up to the top here and click Home, and it'll go back. Or over here on the side, and it's still loading, so it might take a little bit of time. You can navigate through here. So you also have the option, if you want to duplicate pages, add a sub page, add properties, that kind of thing, you can do so over there. So again, this is very, 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 very brief, but just a quick intro for those that have never done this. Final things, if you want to look what it would look like, you can do it 3 options. You can do it through a laptop, through a tablet, or through a mobile phone, which is becoming more and more popular. And you just exit out when you're done. You can also share your website with others. You can do a whole bunch of options here. And then finally, when you're all done, you're ready, you're going to publish it. You'll type in what's your address, what you want it to be called, and then who can view this, and then finally click Publish. So again, just a very quick video on the very, very basics. There's still a lot more to learn and know, but just very basics if you want to create a web page using Google Sites.